Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here is a quick video on how to make a Raglan sleeve t-shirt. As always, link to purchase the pattern is in the description below. Print and piece the pattern together and it should all look something like this. A front piece, a back piece, sleeve, and a neckband. If you want to adjust the height of the pattern, you can do it now. I will use my own t-shirt pattern to adjust the height and round the hem. You can adjust the sleeves as well if you wish to by cutting anywhere below the armhole. We will start by cutting the front and the back piece on the fold. And then we will cut two of the sleeves as well. Make sure to either cut on a folded piece of fabric, or if you're cutting them individually like I am, then turn the pattern upside down to get two mirrored pieces. Now take the front and back piece and pin them right sides together. We will be using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, so go ahead and sew the sides together. The next step is to fold the sleeve in half and sew the sides together, just as shown in the video. Now turn everything right side out, front facing up, and line up everything as shown in the video. The back side of the sleeve is going to be the one with the long tail. Now very carefully line up the side seam of the armhole to the side seam of the sleeve, right side together as shown in the video. Continue to pin the entire armhole as shown in the video and finish sewing. Do the same on the other side. And it should all look something like this. For your neckband, you can either use the pattern provided for a thicker band or cut the width by ½ inch to give yourself a nice thin neckband. Fold it in half and sew as shown in the video. Fold the neckband again and mark the center front with a pin. Find the center of both the front and back piece of the t-shirt and mark the points with a pin. If this video is not clear on how to attach the neckband, you can look at my other videos where I teach you guys how to sew a neckband on. Now go ahead and line up the center back of the neckband to the center back of the t-shirt and the center front of the neckband to the center front of the t-shirt, and sew. And there you have it, just like magic. It's a raglan sleeve t-shirt that actually fits really well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all socials at AshTaylorOfficial.